Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel! Hi! So tonight, we're going to try, or we are now trying the ring light. Me and my baby is going to try it. So let's see. Wow, our nice is... sorry. Hala, nice kaya itong ice bay. It has something, oh. Hala, nice, oh. Oh, ha. Hala, nice bay. Nice it ang ring light, no? It changes its color. Look at... Wait. Lisura jud mag-vlog niya na baby. So let's change the color, baby. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think that's it. It's the same one. It's just 3 colors. And then we can also adjust the lights. Let's lessen the lights. Wait. Okay, tara. Muna na siya pinaka last. Then ato ang i-adjust na pud ang brightness. Okay. So, muna siya ang pinaka, the most, kuan. So, muna na siya. Now, let's change it again. And that's it. It's a nice one. I love it. Thank you. Halangga. My husband gave it to me as a surprise. Kaya nag-start lagi ko vlog. So, thank you so much. Thank you. Say thank you, Dada. Thank you. Thank you. So as you can see, there's really a difference if walay ring light og naay ring light. So I'll turn it off. So mo ni siya ang kuan basta walay ring light, and then I'll turn the ring light on. Nice. See, nice. Kapag panood live, bago pa ako naligo. And I have my baby with me, so. Nice. I'm changing the colors. Good. This ring light, naka-attach siya sa power bank. See? And then, ayan siya. So, once na-attach na siya sa charger, mauni siya ang buttons, mauni siya ang on, off, ang ilas ang lights, ikuan ang lights. So, mauni siya ang less lights, then kani siya ang change of color, sa kani siya ang change of color. See, you can see naman sa background. Okay, so that's it. So it comes with a tripod, foldable. Giset up naman ni hubby. So, ano na siya. Ano na ang pinakataas niya, I believe. Tupong rin niya siya sa kuha. So, ano na siya. Thank you. Thank you lang ga. Thank you so much for this. It really helps. So guys, thank you for watching. Me and my baby will go to sleep na. So, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! I love you! Bye-bye guys! Bye-bye! Thank you